Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumized your hairs. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs, haircuts, hair color and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hairs into different designs and different styles like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, layer fine haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob cuts, step cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates, and like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Till then, take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection and new ideas. Till then, take care.